We have 3,100 colorists from all over the world who are members. And what a lot of them say is, I don't know what to do. I made this woman a beautiful redhead and she loved it for a couple months. And now she wants to have platinum white hair. Well, I know people will disagree with me, but no can do. You can make it blonde or attempt to make it blonde, and I don't care what additives or bonders you're going to use. Removing burgundy or red or dark brown or dark or black dye does severely impair the hair. And once a steak is well done, you cannot make it medium rare. Anything that lifts a lot is highly alkaline. It has to be. It has to open the cuticle and the cortex, get in there and start removing dye. So I do like the Malibu product. I think it's wonderful and it does take some stain out. But people complain they want to remove because there's a big trend toward blondness now, and I love that trend. However, there's also a big trend toward brighter reds. I'm not, as you know, a big advocate of the party colors like teal or green or magenta or purple or blue. I think there's a place for that, but I think that some of the young people or the people who go for that don't realize that that is a high upkeep if they want it to look really great. Or they say, okay, I did that, now I'm bored, now I want to go back to blonde. So make sure that your consultation, which I call the color consultation or color conversation, includes, I can do this. And when you want to change it, I can make slight changes, but I can't make it super lighter or super, and I can't guarantee our result. And there's a charge for what I do, and in the most polite way. I think a lot of us look at the clock, we want to get started, but starting without a complete understanding on both sides of what the woman can expect that day, what her upkeep would be, and if she wanted to change it because she was tired, what the possible happy changes could be. That kind of conversation, if you want to have a koi fish pond in your yard, you have to tell them you better not live where there's a lot of raccoons because you're not going to have koi fish very long. They'll be eaten. It's the same thing with hair, or, if you want to lose weight, don't eat that vat of ice cream. You might want to eat the vat of ice cream. You guys know what I'm saying. People think we are magicians. This is a comb. It's not a magic wand.